السلام علیکم اسٹوڈنٹس، ویلکم ٹو مائی چینل۔ آج کی اس ویڈیو میں آپ کے ساتھ شیئر کروں گی کرنٹ افیئر سے ریلیٹڈ موسٹ امپورٹنٹ ایم سی کیوز جو آنے والے ایس ٹی ای او پیرا کا جو جی کے پیپر ہے، اس کے علاوہ بھی کوئی پی پی ایس سی اور ایف پی ایس سی کا جو آنے والے وان پیپر ایگزام ہے، ان سب کے لیے کرنٹ افیئرس کے ایم سی کیوز جو ہیں وہ امپورٹنٹ ہیں۔ پی پی ایس سی کا اگر ہم ابھی کا پیٹرن دیکھیں تو جنرل نالج کے پیپر میں کرنٹ افیئرس کے ایم سی کیوز کو زیادہ امپورٹنس دی جا رہی ہے، زیادہ ایم سی کیوز ایڈ کیے جا رہے ہیں۔ ابھی کی نسبت پہلے جو ہے وہ کرنٹ افیئرس کے پورشن سے کم ایم سی کیوز آتے تھے۔ پہلے جو ہے وہ 60% پیپر جو ہے وہ پاسٹ پیپرز میں سے آ رہا تھا، لیکن ابھی وہ کافی ریڈیوس ہو گیا ہے۔ 40 to 45% جو ہے وہ پاسٹ پیپرز میں سے آ رہا ہے اور باقی جو ریمیننگ پورشن ہے وہ نیا ہے۔ سو ڈیفیکلٹی لیول جو ہے وہ پہلے سے تھوڑا بڑھ گیا ہے۔ اگر آپ ابھی کا جونیئر کلرک کا پیپر دیکھیں ریسنٹلی جو ہوا ہے تو وہ بھی کافی ٹف تھا، اور اسٹوڈنٹس جو ہیں وہ اس میں مارکس 60s میں ہی زیادہ بتا رہے ہیں، اور جونیئر کلرک سے پہلے بھی جو 2-3 پیپرز ہوئے ہیں ان میں بھی یہی حال ہے۔ تو آپ نے کرنٹ افیئرس کا جو پورشن ہے وہ بھی لازمی پریپیئر کرنا ہے۔ یہ نہ ہو کہ پیرا کے لیے آپ جسٹ ایسے پر ہی فوکس کریں اور جنرل نالج کو نہ دیکھیں۔ تو کرنٹ افیئرس وہ پورشن ہوتا ہے جہاں سے نئے ایم سی کیوز کو پیپر میں انکلکیٹ کیا جا سکتا ہے، تو یہ آپ نے لازمی پیپر سے پہلے پڑھ لینے ہیں۔ سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں۔ فرسٹ ایم سی کیوز ہے، ہو از دی کرنٹ پرائم منسٹر آف پاکستان؟ شہباز شریف۔ کرنٹ پریزیڈنٹ؟ آصف علی زرداری۔ کرنٹ چیف آف آرمی اسٹاف؟ جنرل عاصم منیر۔ ہو کرنٹلی سروز ایز دی ڈیپوٹی پرائم منسٹر آف پاکستان؟ اسحاق ڈار۔ کرنٹ فورن منسٹر آف پاکستان؟ اسحاق ڈار۔ کرنٹ گورنر آف پنجاب؟ سردار سلیم حیدر خان۔ کرنٹ چیف منسٹر آف پنجاب؟ مریم نواز شریف۔ کرنٹ گورنر آف سندھ؟ کامران تسوری۔ کرنٹ چیف منسٹر آف سندھ؟ مراد علی شاہ۔ کرنٹ گورنر آف کے پی کے؟ فیصل کریم کنڈی۔ کرنٹ چیف منسٹر آف کے پی کے؟ علی امین گینڈاپور۔ کرنٹ گورنر آف بلوچستان؟ جعفر خان مینڈوخیل۔ کرنٹ چیف منسٹر آف بلوچستان؟ سرفراز بگٹی۔ کرنٹ چیف جسٹس آف پاکستان؟ جسٹس یحییٰ افریدی، succeeded by جسٹس قاضی فائز عیسیٰ۔ Which country will host the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? Pakistan. What is the name of Pakistan's first domestically developed electro-optical satellite? PRSEO-1 Pakistan Remote Sensing Satellite Electro-Optical 1. Which city hosted the second Karachi Marathon in January 2025? Karachi. Who is the current chairman of FPSC? Federal Public Service Commission? Akhtar Nawaz Sati. What is the title of Pakistan's National Economic Plan 2024 to 29? Udaan Pakistan. Who is the new official spokesperson for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs? Ambassador Shafqat Ali Khan. Which province recorded the highest terrorist incidents in 2024? KP and Balochistan. What is the capacity of Chashma Nuclear Power Plant Unit 5? 1200 megawatt. Which Pakistani airport was ranked among the worst in Asia in 2025? Islamabad International Airport. Who is the current Federal Minister of National Food Security? Rana Tanveer Hussain. Which legendary cricketers were inducted into the PCB Hall of Fame 2024? Misbah-ul Haq and Saeed Anwar. What magnitude earthquake hit Kalat, Balochistan in January 2025? 3.6. Who won the PB 45 Quetta by-election in January 2025? Pashtunkhwa National Awami Party. Pakistan signed $250 million Memorandum of Understanding with which country in January 2025? China. Which Pakistani province is leading the solar panel scheme for citizens in 2025? Punjab. Who is current chairman of PCB? Mohsin Naqvi. What is the current inflation target for Pakistan by the end of 2025? Single digits, approximately 7 to 9%. Which bank is the primary lender for Pakistan's 2024 to 27 Extended Fund Facility? IMF. Who is the current IG of Punjab Police? Dr. Usman Anwar. Who is the current IG of Islamabad Police? Ali Nasir Rizvi. The 26th Constitutional Amendment in Pakistan is primarily about judicial reforms and tenure of CJP. Which Pakistani actor starred in the Netflix series The Crown? Humayun Saeed. Which city is the headquarters of the PIRA, Punjab Enforcement and Regulatory Authority? Lahore. What is the current literacy rate of Pakistan? Approximately 62%. Who is the current Chief Justice of Lahore High Court? Justice Alia Neelam, first female Chief Justice of Pakistan of Lahore High Court. Which day is observed as Kashmir Solidarity Day? 5th of Feb. Arshad Nadeem won a gold medal in the 2024 Olympics in which event? Javelin throw. What was the Arshad Nadeem's record-breaking throw distance? 92.97 meters. Who is the current chairman of Senate of Pakistan? Yusuf Raza Gilani. Who is the current Speaker of the National Assembly? Sardar Ayaz Sadiq. Which country hosted the SCO Council of Heads of Government meeting in October 2024? Pakistan. What is the current name of the government-led health insurance in Punjab? Sehat Sahulat Card. Who is the current DG ISI? Lieutenant General Muhammad Asim Malik. Pakistan's first plastic road was inaugurated in Islamabad. The Green Line bus service is operational in which city? Karachi. Who is the current Federal Minister for IT and Telecommunication? Shaza Fatima Khwaja. Who was appointed as the Chief Justice of Sindh High Court in July 2025? Justice Muhammad Junaid Ghaffar. Who is the current Inspector General of KP Police? Mr. Zulfikar Hamid took charge on 30th of January 2025. Who is the current Inspector General of Balochistan Police? Muhammad Tahir, appointed in September 2025. Who is the current Chief Justice of the High Court of Balochistan? Justice Rozi Khan, sworn in July 2025. Who is the current Chairman of PPSC? Lieutenant General Muhammad Abdul Aziz. Which province launched the minority card for underprivileged minority citizens in January 2025? Punjab. Who is the current Federal Minister of Information and Broadcasting? Ataullah Tarad. Which team won the HBL PSL 10 2025 trophy? Lahore Qalandars defeated Quetta Gladiators. Where was the final of PSL 10 held? Gaddafi Stadium in Lahore on 25th of May 2025. Who was the player of the match in the PSL 10 final? Kusal Pereira from Lahore Gladiators. Which team topped the group stage in PSL 10? Quetta Gladiators with 15 points. Who is the current captain of Pakistan Test cricket team? Shan Masood. Who is the current captain of Pakistan white ball, ODI or T20 team? Mohammad Rizwan. Which country will host the 2025 ICC Champions Trophy? Pakistan. Who is the current chairman of Pakistan Cricket Board? Mohsin Naqvi. Arshad Nadeem, the Olympic gold medalist, belongs to which district of Punjab? Khanewal, Mian Chanu. Which Punjab city is being developed as the Nawaz Sharif IT city? Lahore, Badiyan Road. The Punjab Enforcement and Regulatory Authority was established to tackle encroachments and hoarding. Which district of Punjab hosted the first animal health care mobile clinic in 2025? Multan. The Apni Chhat Apna Ghar scheme was launched by which CM Maryam Nawaz Sharif? Which city is known as Manchester of Pakistan? Faisalabad. What is the current estimated population of Pakistan according to 2025 projections? Approximately 255 million. In which district was the significant gas blast reported in a coal mine in January 2025? Singidi, Balochistan. Which Punjab province program provides electric bikes to students? CM Punjab. Chief Minister, Youth Initiative. What is the literacy rate of Punjab as per recent 2024 to 25 data? Approximately 66%. The first female station house officer in many rural Punjab districts was appointed in 2024 to 25 as part of the gender inclusive reforms. Who is the current Chief Justice of Pakistan? Justice Yahya Afridi, appointed in October 2024. Who was appointed as the acting Chief Justice of Peshawar High Court in Feb 2025? Justice Syed Muhammad Atiq Shah. Who is the current DG of FIA Federal Investigation Agency? Rifat Mukhtar Raja assumed charge in April 2025. Who is the current Federal Minister of Petroleum in 2025? Ali Parvez Malik. Who serves as the Federal Minister for Science and Technology in the 2025 Cabinet? Khalid Hussain Megsi. Who is the current Federal Minister of Railways? Hanif Abbasi. Who is the Federal Minister for Maritime Affairs? Muhammad Junaid Anwar. Who is the current Federal Minister for Defence Production? Muhammad Raza Hayat Harraj. Who is the Federal Minister for Religious Affairs and Interfaith Harmony? Sardar Muhammad Yusuf. Who is the Federal Minister for National Health Services? Syed Mustafa Kamal. Who is the current Federal Minister for Power? Sardar Awais Ahmed Khan Ligari. Who is the current Federal Minister for Law and Justice? Azam Nazir Tarad. Who is the current Chairman of PPSC? Muhammad Abdul Aziz. Who is the current Secretary of PPSC? Afzal Chaudhry. Who is the current Federal Tax Ombudsman of Pakistan? Muhammad Zafarul Haq Hijazi, appointed in December 2025. Which judge was elevated to the Supreme Court from the Sindh High Court in January 2025? Justice Ali Bakar Najafi. Who is the current Minister of State for IT and Telecommunication? Shaza Fatima Khwaja. Who is the current Federal Minister for Information and Broadcasting? Ataullah Tarad. Who is the current DG of the National Cybercrime Investigation Agency NCCIA? Waqaruddin Sayyed. What is the current total strength of Federal Cabinet as of March 2025? 51 members. When was the Punjab Enforcement and Regulation Act (PERA) enacted? On 17th of October 2024 and operationalized in 2025. आज की